Hello guys, welcome to
Yeah.
my first video where we would be solving the Trollcat CTF, and in this video I am accompanied by White Rose along with whom I created these challenges. So you can check these challenges here at the GitHub of CS Coders Hub along in the Trollcat CTF repository. We have opened the OSINT repository and we would be solving the first challenge, which is heavy driver. So just click on it. So the description says this car took a dirty overtake. I have to report him. I found a snap on the snap map. Get the car's owner's name and registration date. The flag format is trollcat first name underscore ddmmyy all in lowercase. And we have given the link. So let's just click on the link and see what we get. So this is a snap from a Snapchat, and in the let's look for okay. So in the just first frame you could see that the number is visible here. So either you could try and open it on incognito. I guess that does not make it play the first part. See it if it auto plays. Okay, so it autoplays. Another way you can do is just take this to Discord, and I'm going to send it to White Rose. When you send the link, you could see the car's registration number is visible. So what we have to do is OSINT about the car registration number. So car registration details in UP, or let's just details. So the first, let's just go to the first link which comes. Here you have to enter the car's registration number, which was this. Enter the captcha, pretty straightforward. Search for Vahan search. Okay, so we have the registration date here. Let's just keep it somewhere 1901 20117, and here we have the owner's name, but it is redacted. So we have to find the whole, like the complete first name. So to do that, what we have to do is check that it is from Meerut, Uttar Pradesh. So say let's see if this state has another website. What we will do is car registration details in Uttar Pradesh. Have to go down and see. Here's the UP Transport website. Let's go there. Let's search. Okay, online services. Okay, here is a duplicate RC link. Let's click there. Enter the vehicle. Okay, here we get the entire details. Here the name is Arvind Agarwal. So that was the flag, Arvind. And so let's just trollcat Arvind underscore the. So this was the flag of the first challenge, which was heavy driver. A lot. The second part where you have to search for this name is pretty tricky, because this link is not available directly on the Google, and you have to do a lot of research to finally get to this place. So this part was a little tricky to get the win, like the name. Another way you could do is download an RTO details app on your Android or iOS mobile phone. Like there are multiple apps: RTO vehicle information, car info, RTO vehicle information. So there, if you would enter the car's number, license number, then you would get all the details required in the challenge. So that's pretty much it. So this was for the first challenge, which was heavy driver. You have the number, name, and the registration date, and that you have to submit there, and you would get the answer. The okay. So let's move on to the second OSINT challenge, which was life is a race. This was a pretty fun challenge, and we developed it to like make sure you have fun in a very tensed environment of a CTF. So the description says it's a race and you have to get to the end. start here and gunshot. Let's just open it. Okay, it loaded, and it's a Instagram maze where we have to swipe right and find the key. So let's just go quickly. It's not one, either this one. And not this one. Let's go to this one. And found it. Okay, so this is the one. Like this one is the answer to this. Great. Now click on the tagged account. Just quickly go there. Click on the largest selling game of all time. It's Minecraft. So you go to the Minecraft and you click on the tagged account. Click on the second biggest country in the world in terms of land size. That's Canada. Don't know why my net is weeping at the moment. Correct. Now go to the tag. What is the cube of 7? That is 343. Go to the tagged account again. Oh, okay. आ गई वापस चल रहे हैं ठीक है. So Instagram was launched in 2010. Here we go. Correct. Don't go to the tagged account, but we will do what is said. Click on blue. Go to green. Go to yellow. Go to red. Go to the tagged account. You don't have a life. What is the biggest planet? That's Jupiter. Now go to the account I am following. Okay, they have one account. This is the most watched video. It's Baby Shark Dance by Ping Fong. So finally last one. Okay, swipe right and find. Go to the. Okay, so there's just this hint. Like if you check which post has the most amount of likes and comments, that door would be like the right one. So these two, let's check these. Claimed. Okay, so this one is not the door. Okay, here finishing line. So here we are at the finishing line. Now most of the people who were doing these challenges, see, like people were literally commenting flag, but the flag was not here. Like that was, I just saw them. Lot of the flag was actually in the tagged account. So if you see these, there are 8 photos tagged with animals on them. So the mindset when I was creating this challenge was people only put up their good photos on their own profile, but their friends actually tag them in their bad photos. So if you want to search for someone's bad photo, you go to the tagged account and you check. So here was this PAW CID, PAW for Trollcat, Cat Investigation Department. Now there were 8 photos tagged, and one of them, here are 9. So the difference one was this, and here is the Trollcat flag. So you could just get this. So the OSINT started after you reach the actual finishing line. So when you reach the finishing line, you have to start the OSINT here. So this was for the challenge Life is a Race. Now we go on to trip to Snapistan. Now this was the description says my friend traveled to some place and lost his document. He lost them just before creating the snap in one of these buildings. Find me the fax number of the building so that I can contact them. Link and flag form. So we click on the link to do this. And this is the snap. So there is one building and there is this second building. So I am guessing like he put that in one of these buildings. So let's just pause it right here. Take a snip of this and let's just reverse search image. So for reverse search imaging, I always use Yandex because it is one of the best your search imager. So let's just paste the image here and see. Okay, not the Russian missile obviously. Let's just do another snap with a little bit more details. Let's just paste it again. Okay, do we have something relatable? No, we don't have anything relatable. Let's move on to the second building. And hopefully this would be it. Just quickly take a snip of it, copy it, go to Yandex. Okay, so these, okay, it's the Golden Tower in Jeddah. Let's just quickly search for it. I'll just search Golden Tower Jeddah. Golden Tower of Jeddah. Now what they have asked us in the challenge was a fax number to the building. So for the fax number I tried going to the, let's go to the first link which comes, which is Skyscraper Center and Corniche official website, and we don't have any so let's just go to the official website here, the 15th tallest building in Saudi Arabia. So here we come, and here you go to the contact us tab right here. Let this thing load. Okay, so here you have the fax number, and this was supposedly, this was the intended way of doing this challenge. You search, you go to the first link, you go to the official website, and finally you get to the contact us tab and get the flag. So this number, put it up in the Trollcat format and submit it. So this was the flag for this trip to Snapistan one. Now the second, let's move on to the second one, which was trip to Snapistan 2. He went to this fancy restaurant and lost his wallet there. Quickly find me the place's phone number. You go. And here is this. So it is a photo, and by looking here you could see it is written in Le Conche, and assumingly it's the person is still in Jeddah, so we just see Le Conche Jeddah. We go there, we go to, and we just have their phone number right here. So this was the flag for Le Conche. So these were the flags for the 4 OSINT challenges, which were supposed to be started online through a link. Now this was the 5th OSINT challenge, which was OS Hint, and it had 3 sub challenges to this. So the first flag is the key to unlock the second flag. You could download it. I have already downloaded the OS zip, extracted it, and nope, don't save it. Here is the OS thing. So CTF OS, let's just start. It is made in Unity. Yeah, play. So it's made with Unity. Supposedly it is an OS, but let's see what it holds for us. Okay, so we have to sign up. So let's just say default, and default password would be default again. Default. Let's move on. Okay, we don't want to see a photo. We are ready to go. Done. Click to unlock. Default. The password is default again. Login. Okay, so this is assumingly this was created like you get access to some of your victims or the person you want to attack his computer, and you just quickly want to enumerate him. So you go to his YouTube, you find nothing. You go to his Reddit. Here you have a a username which is White Rose. So let's just quickly write it down. Underscore WHIT3ROSE underscore White Rose on Reddit, because I've already solved it. So this is done. Next we go to his Facebook to quickly see what he posted, and Facebook is loading. Okay, thank you Rishabh. See, you get loaded up here, but if you just so White Rose posted another string. So to download this, what we have to do is take a snip again, snip this thing here, go copy this, and we go to online OCR, just use this one. You paste your file. Oh, no, not this one. So the PDF. So this one. Drop here. Rock. License didn't get in. Control C, Control V. Let's go back. Okay, online OCR. Go. We paste it. Completed. Processing it. Here we have it. Now what we have to do is compare it with the original string, and we have is 0 AGLUAYB, again a 0. What the again a 0, then we go D to L ODGVY, again an L, capital G L Z I, capital J I D H R I C I B, then a 0 A G A F U L E C C. Now we just copy it, go to the CyberChef, we put it there, we see if some magic thing appears. Okay. So no magic appears. I am just, it's not, let's just say base 64 and base 64. Okay, it's, I think Twitter is better than FB, so let's just take Twitter here. Okay, it's songs. Welcome to the future, Mr. White Rose. Nope, thank you. Notepad, nothing in the notepad. Do we have Twitter here? So that means there's nothing on the OS because we have enumerated everything. Now let's move forward with the White Rose thing. So he says Twitter is better, so let's just find Twitter. Okay, there is nothing. Just checking his. Okay, say here it is, Twitter is better for expressing. Let's just open this post. Same, nope. Please help guard, Vanguard. Hello world, I'm White Rose, a computer geek, learning, seeking to more. I play CTF4. Con as Sigmoid, all I want is peace. So Twitter is better for expressing. Anyway, say hello world. Let's just then go to Twitter of White Rose. So I have already opened it. Follow him. Just follow White Rose if you are not yet. So here it is, his first video. Let's just go to his video. YouTube Gang Gamer Pro. So if for an OSINT there is nothing in the video, it's always in the description or the comments. And here you see we have something here. Let's just go back to GCHQ. See, just from where we got our first flag, there is a difference between an OSINT, and OS. So this was the first flag. You get to his YouTube channel, you get this thing and go. And the next thing is Rickrolled Jellied Locket. So this is maybe a username. Let's just search it, Jellied Locket. Okay, there are. Okay, here is a Rickroll video. Let's just see. So there is not a description, but in the comments you could see there are 4 comments, but actually only one is shown. So to see all the comments, you have to do newest first, and this way you could see here is the second flag. Now the next hint is right here. By the way, someone needs freedom, see freedom downtime. So we would just Google freedom downtime, copying skills. Just go freedom downtime. So it's a documentary based on computer hacker Kevin Mitnick. Let's go to the Wikipedia page, because the only page which he could edit is a Wikipedia. Let's just search for Trollcat. We don't have any, so maybe it's in the history. Like you could see older edits of this account. Okay, so here is something written: undid some wrongdoing, sorry, just added a flag. So we would click on this date, and you can see the third flag here, Trollcat Mitnick versus Snowden. So this was the final and third flag of this OS hint challenge. So there was these seven challenges which we created, and the walkthrough to all of them. Hope you liked the walkthrough and why we created these challenges. If you want further explanation, please comment down, and if you want to learn more about OSINT, keep watching the channel and subscribe to it, because I would be uploading many more OSINT and other CTF related videos. Thanks for watching. Good luck. Goodbye.
I got broads in Atlanta. She took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Getting the licks in the bank. Legacies.